We got a 2020 Subaru Ascent. This is how you reset any type of oil life message, maintenance message, scheduled maintenance message that you're getting with your car. You're going to go to the little screen above the radio here, and you're going to use the three little buttons above it. Focus on this. What we're going to do is you need to go all the way to the bottom menu, press and hold view, and that'll give you your menu that you're looking for. Go down here where it says maintenance. Go to the filter, view, and you can see right there remaining 532 miles. We need to reset that guy there. All you gotta do is go to update, and it'll give you 6,000 miles. You're gonna do that for any of the reminders that pop up. Right here. So do this one too. Bam. Alright, so I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. If you could hit that like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, or even subscribe if you'd like to see more Subaru videos.